94 million years ago, it may have just well been the most deadliest ecosystem ever to exist. Given the number of predatory dinosaurs, all living in close proximity to one another, yet each exploiting their own ecological niche and food source, this place was truly like no other. Now, it was the sheer size of these apex predators, coupled with the fact that geographically they were all able to exist in the same environment as one another, that has baffled scientists for decades. But the fossil record tells us this place and time actually existed. Enter Carceradontosaurus, an enormous theropod that stretched 40 feet in length, weighed more than 6 tons, and would have posed a threat to any dinosaur in its ecosystem. The huge predator had large blade-like teeth designed to tear and pierce the flesh of its prey. On the menu was possibly juvenile sauropods and various other dinosaurs. Now, it is also important to note that there were 2 different types of species in North Africa, Carceradontosaurus iguadensis and Carceradontosaurus saharicus. Biome was another large theropod, 36 to 39 feet in length, around 4 tons in weight. While not nearly as bulky as either of the 2 Carceradontosaurs, it was still a large and adept predator, taking down medium-sized dinosaurs and possibly even crocodiles. Last but not least in this ecosystem is the now infamous and iconic Spinosaurus. While this immense predator has gone through some drastic changes in recent years to its posture, as well as how the predator interacted with its environment and made its living, there's no doubt that would have been a terrifying animal to have encountered. At over 50 feet in length and nearly 10 tons in weight, Spinosaurus was an absolute monster. Spinosaurus more than likely made up the bulk of its living fishing and hunting prehistoric fish the size of small cars in the rivers of North Africa 94 million years ago. Together, these predatory dinosaurs and the sizes they attained in life, coupled with how they interacted with their environment, meaning their food source, formed the basis for something known as stromers' riddle. How was it that all these giant meat eaters could all be living and surviving in the same ecosystem? The answer was more than likely through focusing on different niches, different food sources. Spinosaurus would have relied heavily, if not exclusively, on the fish that thrived in the vast network of rivers that dominated North Africa at the time. Both species of Carcharodontosaurs might have preyed upon sauropods such as Paralotitan or Egyptosaurus, and Bahariosaurus hunted medium-sized dinosaurs. It is also important to note that each of these predators would have been the top apex predator in any other ecosystem. But in North Africa 94 million years ago, they formed an ecosystem unlike any other in Earth's history, the most dangerous biome of all time.